20,000 pounds of thrust, and it weighs approximately 5,390 pounds. My name is Steve Maldonado. I've been here Southwest for 14 years, and we're doing a scheduled engine change tonight. Basic what they're doing right now is they're taking the cowls off the motor. We have a guy in the hot section disconnecting all the stuff in the back on the core. We have a guy on the right side up front, guy on the left side up front, and they're disconnecting all their stuff that they have to do up front. And after that, we just pretty much put the stand under it and drop the motor. And we're going up with it, and we should be done here within about an hour.